Hi guys, I'm testing out another camera, and this is a table that I just finished making for my daughter for Christmas. She's into Dungeons and Dragons, and she wanted to have a table to roll her dice. So I went and I just used the scrap wood that I could find, and that's the way I build things, all scrap wood. And I'm hoping she likes it because it's pretty cool, and basically I'm just testing this camera out for quality because my other one, it just seemed like it was just not good enough. It was like my other daughter said, it looked like it was from the 80s. So this is that one table I made for my daughter for Christmas. This is another one that I'm still making. I'm almost done. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. It's all nautical. It's all handmade. The ship's wheel and everything is all my design. The epoxy I kind of messed up on. I got to fix that. But I want to make the epoxy to where it's full all the way up to the top. Then I went and I handmade this. It's another ship's wheel. See? All handmade, just by me. All scrap lumber. I also carve walking sticks. It's all hand carved. All hand carved by me. Another hobby I've got. I love working with wood. I also made this. Unfortunately I dropped it and broke the tail on my shark. But it's got my dog. I painted, I carved and painted. It's got some other on there. It's another thing I enjoyed making. Especially, I've got the hip that was just replaced. So when I'm just sitting around recovering, I was able to keep my hands busy. But realistically, this table is my latest, and I'm hoping that she likes it. My next video is going to be metal detecting, if this is clear enough. If this makes the grade, then I will be using it. If not, gotta figure something else out. Because I know the one or two of you that watch my videos once in a while, it would be nice to have clear videos. So, all in all, it's been a lot of fun. And we're going to keep on going because I love metal detecting and I do find some good stuff. So next video, we'll see what we can do. So until then, good luck, happy hunting, and God bless.